Welcome back, Bible fam. We're glad you're here. We hope that you had a very Merry Christmas. We spent the holiday season celebrating with family and friends. We spent the weeks leading up to Christmas going to multiple parades at neighboring small towns. It was a great time spent with dear friends. There's something so special about a small town Christmas when everyone comes together to celebrate the birth of our Savior, Jesus Christ. Please don't forget to like this video and leave us a comment. We would love to hear from you. Things slowed down a little bit for us during this season, but there are a few projects that must be done. On this episode, I have chosen to edit things a little differently, giving you a chance to see a more raw look at life around here. I hope you enjoy it.
Ooh, hello. Alright. Hey guys, it is getting cold here where we are, so we are going to be winterizing the coop. Jesse's got a plan for us?
Yeah, we're going to be taking the old greenhouse tarp that we had over here, the roof portion of it, and we're going to cut it up and put new eyelets on there, and we're going to zip tie it to the chicken coop to kind of winterize it, keep the wind out of it, keep them a little warmer. Some of them like to not sleep inside the coop.
Yeah.
So
the younger ones like to stay out here in the run at night, and it's just getting too cold for them. So
yeah, and we've been forcing them in there at night, but they prefer to be out there, which is fine.
Yeah. So this will give them a little bit more protection during the day too, as it gets colder. And they don't want to be out here in the pig yard. They can kind of hang out in there out of the wind as it gets, because we get a lot of wind here.
Yeah, tons of wind.
So
but we hope you all had a happy Thanksgiving, because this is definitely after that. But from the 5OF fam, happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. All right, let's get to it. To where?
Yeah. Just try to do. I can see what you're doing. All right.
Okay.
And we plan on we're going to make 3 different panels. We're not sure about the backside because it has so much. We got the door there, the chicken coop there. We're going to figure that out separately, but we're going to do 3 different panels. That way we can pull off one if we feel like it's too hot in there, instead of just wrapping the whole thing. So that way we can keep the temperature however we need to. Yeah, I think that'll be the best way, right? Making 3 different panels.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let's go like
150. You want me to go to 115?
okay.
Right here.
Man, you curvatured that off.
What? Follow the line.
A little hook echo on there. You could have a tornado up in that sucker. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. It's getting folded over. Nobody will notice.
Chickens won't notice.
Heck no. It's already got holes all up in it. They're all in the same bag now? Are they always in the same bag?
Yeah,
Oh no, they're a separate bag.
Yeah, no, they don't.
It's funny. So funny, honey.
Oh, jeez.
Alright.
Like you cut it first, or you do it through first?
No, it does it.
All through. You need both sides, though.
I have both sides.
Oh, it's already up there. Ha!
Yeah. And then that just pops out.
Look at that, guys. Pretty cool, huh?
We are losing daylight fast. So we're probably only gonna get to put up 2 of the walls today. We're still gonna try and do all, but I don't know what we'll get done as the sun is setting here. I can't get this gate open with one hand. So we're gonna try and get this done. But we are losing daylight rather quickly. Sorry about that. I was gonna try and put this on the outside and see if the pigs leave it alone. Just because we feel like that would be easier with the wind blowing and everything, that the bars behind it would be a better wind support. Hank, don't knock over my tripod. No. No. Hank. He's messing with my foot. Hank. Anyway, we're gonna try this first and see how it goes on the outside. I guarantee you couldn't hear me because that car. We're gonna try this on the outside, see how it goes. If the pigs leave it alone, if they start trying to chew on it, then we'll have to move it to the inside. But I think that the outside would be better for the purpose of the wind.
So we got these little bungee things. Now we're just gonna bungee it around each eyelet hole. Do it in one of these then, at an angle.
Yeah. My fingers are so cold they don't want to work. Oh, I got one. Eesh, hands are cold.
Oh, Briggs is in the cat house. He's inside there.
Crazy?
So
How did he do that?
he walked through the whole
Oh my
coop.
gosh, he's eating the bird's food. Brixie, are you that hungry? He's literally eating the chicken's feed. Oh my goodness, poor cat.
Is that why we have no feed?
Yoda's not letting him eat.
We need to bring him in there and he can eat cat food.
I know. Here, Brixie, come here.
Yoda's a little
Huh?
Yoda's a little what?
The glutton?
Food aggressive, and he's fat, so he's eating all the feed. And he's kicking Briggs out of the barn every time the feed goes off.
I've been feeding him some at night up at the house. Whoa, Briggs, it's Porky. It was just Porky.
Let's take him to get feed.
Oh, I'll be back.
See what I was saying about Yoda guarding the door? Yoda's already eaten. He's already up there.
Hey, you get that your brother eat, okay? Look.
It's an automatic feeder, but Yoda's always there,
Brixie, come
claiming
here.
it all.
Brixie, come here.
And Briggs also hunts, though. He loves.
He eats a rabbit or a mouse almost daily at the house, too. He brings them home every day. He does his good job.
And birds.
Yeah, there's always feathers everywhere. But yeah. And I do feed him up at the house. snacks at night, almost every night.
Yoda, you need to share. Are you happy now, bud?
My goodness. Oh yeah, no, not yet.
Oh, this roof is flimsy enough. You can.
On some spots over here, it was pretty tight.
Where the screw is.
Yeah.
Oh no, cork's on it.
Oh man, Hank.
Yeah. No.
It's always drama. It's pretty good.
Ooh, look at the sun coming through. That looks awesome. We got Hank and Pork. They're we free range them a lot in our little 2.5 acre around the house because it's all fenced in too, so they love doing that on a daily basis. But we only do it in the wintertime, not when we have the garden up, because they eat everything.
So we've got one side done. Oh. The rest of this on time lapse because this might be boring. It actually makes a slight difference. It's freezing. Come here, go show your face.
I'm cold.
Oh yeah, we'll avoid this.
Should hopefully help keep it dry in there too when it rains.
Oh yeah, for sure.
We're losing daylight really, really fast, so we're probably just gonna be able to get this last panel on before tonight because we still need to put more straw down for the pigs, and I need to put another layer of mulch in the bottom of the chicken coop for their bedding.
Yeah, it's getting dark.
It's getting dark fast, but we'll put them all in the coop tonight since we didn't get this done in time. The little ones don't like it, but we're gonna do it for them anyway. And there's wind. All right, let me get to this. We don't have much time left. still had like an indoor-outdoor thermometer, we could put it like inside.
It'd be interesting if we had one.
It would. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I think he just likes it.
He's the most curious cat. Curiosity killed the cat, right?
Yeah. Probably killed his brother.
You need to get hay?
Yeah, I need to go get hay. I'm off to go get hay. There you go. Ugh.
You are covered.
Oh my word.
Oh no. It's in your scarf. I ain't never coming out.
No. I didn't realize it stuck to this one. I knew it stuck to my pink one.
Get in there, guys. Get warm.
Good night.
Honestly, don't know how both of you fit in there now, but
Yeah, it might be a new project. New pig house.
you think? I think we wait till they bust out the floor.
Good night.
Come on, Hank. Come on, Pork. Oh, they look so happy.
Yeah, thanks for it up. Good night, Pork. Go on in. Hank, you gotta make room. She's coming through.
No, she got the good side.
She knows which side to go to. So they always scream every night when they go to bed because they're always fighting over spots.
Oh, now you're gonna come back out? Hank, we ain't got no more food. Go to bed.
Good night, you guys.
Hey guys, so we're back for day 2. It's a lot warmer today-ish.
I still came better prepared today. It took me like an hour to get the feeling back in my hands and my feet last night. So I got my knitted fingerless gloves today.
Yeah, I don't know if that'll help much.
I don't know. I feel like it will. Like I can tuck my fingers in.
I got down to like, was it 22 last night?
22, which for us is pretty cold.
Yeah, that's cold for us.
Yeah.
Us Southerners ain't used to that cold.
Yeah.
I know you guys up north like have snow, and we ain't seen snow in 3 years here. 2 years? About 2.5 years here.
Over 1,000 days. I forget what it was. It's it's a really long time.
So my body ain't used to it. I'm from Florida anyway, so I don't know if they'll ever get used to it.
Yeah. Last year I think we had 2 weeks in a row where it was 10 degrees, and that was like a big deal. Like people's waters bursting and stuff, just because we're not built for that around here.
No. Well, today we got Gavin helping us. Say hi, Gavin.
Hi.
So we got the last panel on the back side to do and one small section on the front, and the chickens will then be completely winterized.
Yeah, they'll love it.
So, and the little guys did get smart and they went inside last night on their own without us having to push them in. So I think they're realizing it's too cold out here. We need to go in. But we're still going to winterize it, keep it winterized through spring, just to give them a little bit of protection from this really crazy wind.
Looks like we might get another helper.
I know,
Nolan.
I hear the door.
See Nolan coming, so
We'll get two
might have the whole family here. You never know. We'll see if Kylie comes.
All right, let's get to it. the thing?
I have
Alright, so you know how. Let me put
kind of. I'm pretty sure
the
you
top
put-
one over here, over that.
Mhm.
The flat one goes on the bottom. Now it's all magnetized so it sticks to it. And then you just clamp it down. And it cuts the hole and crimps that together at the same time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really?
So,
This part and then bring that and then loop it through.
Because I don't know what. Ow! This mulch is higher.
You're too tall now. You just want to do a square or like an L?
What do you want to do?
I don't know. Is L too difficult? Seems difficult. Huh? I mean, I think because
I think we can go to here. Just do the square.
yeah.
I say leave that and that open.
Okay, a little bit of airflow. Because, I mean, honestly, the coop blocks a lot of the wind anyway from that direction.
Yeah, it won't. By the time we get this to there,
Yeah.
that wind's gonna have to wrap around and then come in.
That way they still have slight ventilation.
Yeah, they need the ventilation.
Look how warm it is in here already.
It's very warm. I'm glad we were able to reuse this.
Oh, me too.
But yeah, it's a little. We can put the pigs in here. Just kidding. They would eat all the food.
They would eat all the food. But yeah, we might have to work on their shelter next.
Although, in the middle of the night, we could put the pigs in here if it's really, really cold. And just put the feet up real high so they can't get it.
Maybe.
They
I
just lay
don't know.
down.
I think that they're pretty warm inside their house. They get a windbreak and it's small, so it holds in their heat.
Plus, they cuddle.
They cuddle.
Body temp. But yeah.
The two of them still fit now. Our concern is that Hank is getting really big, and he's going to continue to get bigger. Pork, I think, is done.
Well, we're filming.
Yeah.
Cool.
Pork is, I think, done growing. What do you think? You think she's done growing? Pork's maxed.
I think they're both.
You think? I think Hank's going to get a little bit bigger.
I figured he'd be big enough by now. He'd be there by now. I don't know.
I don't know.
I like I said, I'll wait till they fall through the floor, then we'll rebuild them a new one.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi, buddy.
He's cute. With his little bell bottoms.
George Backington.
Alright, that is a wrap on the chicken coop. It is done. So the kids helped us today and got it finished, which I'm glad that they came out and helped. Gave me a little bit of reprieve. And now she's done. The chickens are ready for winter.
Yay.
See y'all on the next one.
Bye.